Keeping the flame alive, building a sustainable candle business. Congratulations! You've established a strong foundation for your candle business, explored marketing and sales strategies, and are well on your way to success. But the journey doesn't end there. In today's environmentally conscious world, building a sustainable business practice is no longer an option, it's a necessity. This section will delve into practices that ensure your candle-making operation minimizes its environmental impact and fosters a culture of social responsibility. Sustainable sourcing. Natural waxes. Opt for natural waxes such as soy wax, beeswax, or coconut wax. These alternatives are biodegradable and burn cleaner than paraffin wax, a petroleum-derived product with a higher environmental footprint. Essential oils. Source your essential oils from reputable suppliers who prioritize sustainable harvesting practices and ethical treatment of plant life. Fragrance oils. If using fragrance oils, choose phthalate-free and cruelty-free options to minimize your environmental and ethical impact. Eco-friendly packaging. Utilize recycled or recyclable packaging materials whenever possible. Consider biodegradable options like cardboard boxes or bamboo containers to reduce your waste footprint. Sustainable production practices. Candle recycling program. Implement a program where customers can return empty candle jars for reuse or recycling. This reduces waste and allows you to offer a loyalty incentive. Minimize waste. Be mindful of your candle-making process to minimize leftover wax or fragrance oil. Consider using smaller pouring pots to reduce waste and optimize production efficiency. Energy efficiency. Invest in energy-efficient equipment whenever possible. Utilize natural light in your workspace and explore options for renewable energy sources to power your production. Social responsibility. Fair trade practices. If you source any materials from abroad, prioritize suppliers who adhere to fair trade principles, ensuring fair wages and safe working conditions for farmers and artisans. Community involvement. Give back to your community by supporting local causes or partnering with charitable organizations. This demonstrates your commitment to social responsibility and fosters positive brand recognition. Transparency and education. Educate your customers about the sustainable practices you've implemented. Highlight your use of natural ingredients, eco-friendly packaging, and commitment to social responsibility. Transparency builds trust and attracts environmentally conscious consumers. The benefits of sustainability. By prioritizing sustainability, you not only benefit the environment but also gain several advantages for your business. Cost savings. Sustainable practices like energy efficiency and waste reduction can lead to long-term cost savings. Enhanced brand image. Consumers are increasingly drawn to eco-friendly brands. Demonstrating your commitment to sustainability strengthens your brand image and attracts environmentally conscious customers. Customer loyalty. Customers who appreciate your sustainable practices are more likely to become loyal brand advocates. Industry recognition. Sustainable practices can lead to recognition within the candle-making industry, opening doors to new partnerships and opportunities. Conclusion. Building a sustainable candle business is a continuous journey. By incorporating eco-friendly practices, sourcing responsibly, and prioritizing social responsibility, you can illuminate the world not only with the warm glow of your candles but also with your commitment to a healthier planet and a more just society. Embrace sustainability as a core value of your brand, and watch your business thrive while making a positive impact on the world.